Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can install Play Store in your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is go over to your Google Chrome and then click on these 9 dots and then click on Play. Now just click on these 3 dots again and then go over to More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut. Make sure you check this box which says Open as Window and then click on Create. Once you do this, Google Play Store will be automatically installed in your PC. You can now just close Google Chrome and enjoy your Google Play Store. So yes, this is how you can do it guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.